Today I'll be showing you how to draw this picture frame. Here's a view of it in AutoCAD. We'll be working on drawing the pocket for the photo and the frame. We'll also be adding the text and the swords. First thing you want to do is open up Partworks, create a new file. Our width and height should be 48 and 24. Our thickness will be 3/4 of an inch. To start out with, we're going to draw a rectangle. We're going to put it at the origin 0, 0. Our width will be 13.5 and our height will be 7.75. Okay, next we're going to draw the rectangle for the actual photo frame. The left corner of this rectangle will be at 9, 1. Our width of our photo frame will be 3 and a 16th. And our height will be 5 and a 16th. So create that. Next we're going to add our text. You want to type in your initials. You can pick from your fonts here. The text height, if it needs adjusting, we can do that on the screen. And we're just going to hit apply. To center this text above this picture frame, I'm going to draw a line across the bottom of the rectangle. Then draw another line starting at the center of that line and just draw it straight up. Select your text, and then you can just move it over here, zoom in if you need to, and center it along that line. You are done with these two lines. Next we want to add the swords. So to start out with, I'm going to work on centering it. So I'm going to draw a 9-inch line along the bottom, and then find the center of that line and draw another line straight up. To import a photo, you click on this icon right here, import bitmap. I have a photo saved. We're going to use it to get our Cavalier swords. Just move it over here. Then you're going to hit this fit vectors to a bitmap. You can choose black or white or color. This adjusts the pixelation of the photo you want. That looks pretty good. Fit vectors. Then you can click on the photo, delete it. We don't need these anymore, so you can delete it, and we don't need this anymore, so you can delete it. Next, select everything you traced using the shift key and right click and group your vectors. And then just like the text, we're going to line it up along the center of the line. You can draw a line from the center of your initials if you'd like to. It doesn't have to be perfect, just close. And there it's centered. Delete those lines, you're done with them. With that, you are done with the front. And that's what it will look like. You can file, save as, and then save it as whatever you want. I'm going to save it as a picture frame front 1. I'm just going to replace this file. But don't exit out once you're done with that. After you've saved it, and you know where you saved it, delete your text. We can delete that line we've drawn. And then you want to draw a line from the origin. Actually, you want to draw a line from the center of your main rectangle straight down. Then select both the rectangle and your line with the shift key, and we'll hit this mirror command and mirror it left. And you can delete your center line. And what we did there was, when you look at the back of this, you can see that the rectangle's on the other side. What we want to do now is we want to tell Partworks that we want this offset rectangle to create that pocket. It's pretty simple. You just click on your rectangle, offset command outwards. It's going to be 1/2 inch, and we're going to create sharp offset corners. Click offset, and you are done with the back. And then I just recommend file, save as, and you save it as the back.